how to transfer funds from Thomas Cook Forex Card to bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer funds from Thomas Cook Forex Card to bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Transferring money from Thomas Cook Forex Card to bank account is very easy. To transfer money from a Thomas Cook Forex Card to a bank account, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, log into your Thomas Cook Forex Card account. Then select the transfer to bank account option. And then enter the amount and bank details. Now confirm the transfer. Double check all the details, including the bank account information and the transfer amount. Confirm the transaction if everything is accurate. Be aware of the processing time for the transfer. Some transfers may be immediate, while others could take a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account to ensure that the transferred funds are deposited successfully. Alternatively, you can visit the bank branch that issued your Fox card or a financial institution to transfer the balance of your Fox card to your bank account. So that's how you can transfer funds from Thomas Cook Fox Card to bank account. That's all for this video.